Om Sai Ram. Happy Thursday to all. Never forget that you are not alone. Sai Samarth is with you, helping and guiding you. He is companion who never fails, the friend whose love comforts and strengthens. Have faith and he will do everything for you. Sai says, believe that something wonderful is about to happen in your life. I always have a better plan for you. In the last video, we went through Radhabai Deshmukh's story and how Hemant Pant was surprised on seeing the wonderful Leela of Baba. Now let's continue the story. After hearing the ringing of bell in the masjid, Hemant Pant and Shama reached the masjid to join the noon worship and Aarti ceremony. Bapu Sahib Jog had just started the worship. Women and men who were there in the masjid started singing the Aarti in chorus to the accompaniment of drums. Shama went up pulling Hemant Pant with him. He sat to the right and Hemant Pant in front of Baba. On seeing them, Baba asked Hemant Pant to give the dakshina bought from Shama. He replied that Shama gave namaskaras in lieu of rupees and that he was there in person. Baba said, all right. Now, let me know whether you both had a chit-chat, and if so, tell me all that you talked about. Hemant Pant was eager to tell Baba what they had talked about and started to narrate it. Baba was also anxious to hear. Then, Hemant Pant related in full the story which he had heard a little while before and which made a lasting impression on his mind. Hearing this, Baba was much pleased and asked him, did the story strike you and did you catch its significance? He replied, yes, Baba, the restlessness of my mind has vanished and I have got true peace and rest and came to know the true path. Then Baba spoke as follows. My method is unique. To get the knowledge of the self, meditation is necessary. Meditate always on my formless nature, which is knowledge incarnate, consciousness and bliss. If you cannot do this, meditate on my form from top to toe. As you go on doing this, your subtle thoughts will be single-pointed. When Baba uttered these words, the chorus of the Aarti song was over and all cried out loudly in unison, victory be to our Sadguru Sai Maharaj. Dear readers, let us imagine that we are at this time standing amongst the crowd in the masjid and let us join them in this Jai Jaikar. After the Aarti ceremony was over, Prasad was distributed. Bapu Sahib Jog came forward as usual and after saluting Baba, gave into his palm a handful of sugar candy. Baba pushed all this into the hands of Hemant Pant and said to him, if you take the story to heart and remember it well, your state will be sweet as the sugar candy and all your desires will be fulfilled and you will be happy. Hemant Pant bowed down to Baba and said, do favor me, Ladas. Bless and protect me always. Dear readers, we now get the nectar of this story. Let us drink it to our heart's content, meditate on it and assimilate it and be strong and happy by Baba's grace. Amen. Bow to Sri Sai, peace be to all. Subscribe my channel, comment, like and share. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.